All are fine? Very nice. Today we are going to study awareness skill. So, take your awareness skill book. Yes, children? Did you all took your awareness skill book? Be ready with that? All are ready? Today we are going to study a very interesting topic. That is vegetables. Yes? You don't like to eat vegetables, no? Yes and no. I knew it. But still then, you have to eat the vegetables. Okay? Let's see the vegetables. Okay, children? First, we will see all the vegetables. Come on, let's have a look. You are going to tell me the names of the vegetables. I will show you some vegetables and you have to say me the name, color. Okay? Let's start. Okay. These are the vegetables. Okay. Now, the first one is, what is the name of this vegetable, children? Yes? Very good. It is a tomato. The name of this vegetable is tomato. And what is the color of this tomato? Yes? Very good. Red in color. The tomato is red in color. Very good. Now, what is this? See? What is this? Yes, have a look. Yes, correct. This is capsicum. This is capsicum. It is green in color. It is green in color. Then after that, what is this? Yes? Chili, green chili, hari mirchi. Isn't it? What is the color of this green chili? It is green in color. Green chili is hot or sweet? Spicy or sweet like a chocolate? It is spicy. Tikhi hoti hai na hari mirchi? Yes? Yes. Now after that, what is this? What is this? Lady's finger. This is a lady's finger. Then this one, potato. This is potato. This one, cucumber. This one, cucumber. This one, next is onion. Next is onion. This one, have a look. Yes, correct. It is beetroot. It is beetroot. Beetroot is very healthy. Beetroot is very healthy for our body. We all have to eat this. Okay? Now, next is brinjal. Next is brinjal. This one, garlic. This one is garlic. This is ginger. This is ginger. Okay, children. Now, tell me what is this? What is this? This is carrot. This is a carrot. Then after that, what is this? What is this? Cauliflower. Very good. This is cauliflower. Next. Next is cabbage. Next is cabbage. This one, pumpkin. This is pumpkin. So children, just now we have studied the names of vegetables. So children, you all have to eat vegetables. Okay? Vegetables are very good for our health. Okay? From now these vegetables, some vegetables we can eat raw, कच्चे खा सकते हैं हम लोग. जैसे कि cucumber, we can use in salad. Raw food. Raw food means salad. You make salad while eating your food, while you are having your lunch in the afternoon, your mother prepares some salad. In that salad, you will be having cucumber, beetroot, onion, tomato. All these four vegetables can be eaten raw. Raw means कच्चे. हम ये vegetables कच्चे खा सकते हैं as a salad. Why? Because they are very good for our health. They are very healthy for our body. Okay. Now after that, these vegetables. For example, cabbage, cauliflower, lady's finger, capsicum, brinjal, potato, all these vegetables you have to cook. Before eating these vegetables, you have to cook them properly. Your mother cooks these vegetables very properly, no? And after that, she prepared it very nicely to serve you, isn't it? Can we eat these vegetables raw? How we have eaten these vegetables like tomato, beetroot, onion, cucumber, as well as this carrot also we can eat in salad as a raw food, isn't it? We doesn't want to cook this, we doesn't need to cook this. Okay, we can eat it as a raw food because they are good for health. Like this, can we eat these vegetables, potato, cabbage, lady's finger, capsicum, brinjal, pumpkin? Can we eat these vegetables raw? No, we can't eat them. We have to cook these vegetables properly, then only we can eat them, isn't it? Now, let's have a look here. All are ready? All are ready with your books? Open page number 3434. See, vegetables. All are ready with page number 3434? Now, fold your hands, sit properly. Let's have a look. Vegetables. Some vegetables add flavor. Just now we have seen these vegetables: cucumber, radish, carrot, tomato, beetroot, cabbage. All these vegetables we can use in salad for, yes, to eat them raw. कच्चे खा सकते हैं हम लोग इसको, isn't it? Like this, some more vegetables are there. ये vegetables जो है हमारे खाने को और टेस्टी बनाते हैं. They add flavor. Taste add करते हैं. Flavor का मतलब क्या है? Taste. Okay. Now first one is mint. Mint means what? पुदीना रहता है ना, पुदीना. That is called mint. Next is lemon. Lemon means limbu. Coriander. Coriander means kotimbir. Next is ginger. Adrak होती है ना, अदरक. Yes, that is called ginger. This is chili. Just now I have shown you green chili. Like that, red chili is also there. मम्मी मिर्ची का कुट्टा बनाती है ना? Yes, this is called chili. And this is garlic. मम्मी गार्लिक और जिंजर का पेस्ट बनाती है ना, अदरक और लहसुन का पेस्ट. मम्मा जब भी खाना बनाती है तो अदरक और लहसुन का पेस्ट बनाकर फिर फोड़नी डालती है ना. So garlic and ginger paste add flavor to your food. Garlic and ginger paste add flavor to your food. Okay. Now, just now we have seen the vegetables which add flavor to our food. When you will eat poha, when your mama prepares poha for you, what do? You sprinkle some lemon on it. नींबू का रस डालते हो ना? जब हम लोग पोहा खाते हैं, साबूदाने की खिचड़ी खाते हैं, उपमा खाते हैं, तो लेमन यूज करते हैं ना उसमें. लेमन यूज करते हैं, कोरिएंडर लीव्स यूज करते हैं. Why? Because they gives us nice flavor, very tasty flavor, isn't it? मम्मी जब मसाला भात बनाती है तब भी डालती है ना मिंट, पुदीने के पत्ते, कोरिएंडर लीव्स, कोथिंबीर, जिंजर गार्लिक पेस्ट, चिली. ये सब मम्मा क्या करती है, आपको डिलीशियस फूड जब सर्व करती है ना, तो ये सारे उसमें फ्लेवर्स डालकर उसको वो खाने को डिलीशियस बनाती है आपके लिए. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज, now here are some vegetables. See what they are asking here. Vegetables. Write the names of these common vegetables from the help of this box. This is our help box. In this help box, they have written some vegetables name, and here they have given the pictures of that vegetable names. So, by seeing the picture of the vegetable, you have to find out the correct name of this picture, where it is, and from there you have to write the spelling of this vegetable, the name of the vegetable. Okay, all are ready? All are ready? All are ready with your books? Pencil? Eraser? All are ready? Shall we start? Fine. First one is potato. The spelling of potato is P-O-T-A-T-O. Potato. Come on, write all of you. First picture is of potato. So, the given space, the space which we have got here, the space which they have provided to us, in that space we are going to write the spelling of potato. P-O-T-A-T-O. Potato. Then, next is carrot. The spelling of carrot we have to write over here. C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. Now, the next picture is of cabbage. The spelling of cabbage is C-A-B-B-A-G-E, cabbage. Wrote all of you? Now, the next picture is broccoli. Write the spelling of broccoli. B-R-O-C-C-O-L-I. Broccoli. Write the spelling of broccoli. B-R-O-C-C-O-L-I. Broccoli is like a cauliflower. Cauliflower आपको white color में मिलेगा, but broccoli is green in color. Broccoli is very healthy and nutritious food for our body. Okay, so we should eat all these vegetables. Okay, now next is cauliflower. Write the spelling of cauliflower. C-A-U-L-I-F-L-O-W-E-R. L-I-F-L-O-W-E-R. Cauliflower. Write the spelling of cauliflower. Now, next is onion. O-N-I-O-N. Onion. Write the spelling of onion. Write the spelling of onion. Wrote? Now, another next is pumpkin. P-U-M-P-K-I-N. Pumpkin. Write the spelling of pumpkin. Write the spelling of pumpkin. Next is, yes, brinjal. Correct. B-R-I-N-J-A-L. Brinjal. Next is spinach. S-P-I-N-A-C-H. Spinach. And next is correct, बीटरूट. आप लोग जब बीटरूट खाते हो तो आपकी टंग, हैंड सब रेड रेड हो जाते हैं ना. यस, बीटरूट खाने से हमारा ब्लड भी इंक्रीज होता है, HB हीमोग्लोबिन भी बढ़ जाता है. सो यू शुड ईट ऑल द वेजिटेबल्स. ओके चिल्ड्रन? यस, राइट इट फास्ट. Yes, children, write the names. Those who have finished writing, turn the page. Take page number 3535. Take the page number 3535. Be ready with that. If you have finished writing, open page number 3535. Get ready with that. Okay, fine. Now, here fun time is there, children. In this fun time, what you have to do, you have to color the vegetables. Okay. And after coloring these vegetables, you have to answer these questions also. Which is a root vegetable? Root vegetable means what? जो जमीन के नीचे उगता है. Okay. And next is, which is a fruit vegetable? Okay. This you have to do for your homework. Write it down. Write HW. You have to color the vegetables. As far as you have to, what you are going to do? You are going to answer the questions also. Now, children, we have studied vegetables name, the importance of vegetables, isn't it? That vegetables are very important for us. We should eat vegetables regularly. We should eat salad also because they are good for our health. Yes, children, did you all understood why vegetables are important for us? Because vegetables are very good for our health. They give nutrition to our body and they keep us healthy and fit. So, you should eat vegetables regularly as well as daily. You should eat salad also. Okay children? Till then, bye.